everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. For today's video, let me show you how to use Remitly money transfers. To use Remitly, first start by downloading the Remitly app. Once the app is downloaded, open it. Next, choose your language, but for now, let's set it to English. Tap Continue. Now let's tap on Create a new profile. Here, choose what country you wish to send from, and then select what country you want to send to. For example, let's set the from to US and then Philippines for 2. Tap Next to proceed. Tap Continue again in the pop-up. Now in here, enter your email address and then set up your password, or you can simply use Google account or your Apple ID. After entering your email and password, then tap the blue button. Now you'll have the option to enable biometrics or not. You can also choose to allow notifications or not, however you like. Now from there, your Remitly account has been created. Now you'll see the current exchange rate for your currencies. It can change, so be sure to check the app for the latest one. Tap on Get Started, and you'll be brought to this next screen. This is where you say how much money you want to send. For example, let's put up 50 US dollars, and you'll see how much money they receive when it arrives on that country. Remitly do the math for you on the spot and tells you how many pesos or whichever currency you choose for delivery will arrive. Next, choose what delivery method you want. It's either mobile money, bank deposit, or any option you want here. Now select the payment method or how would you like to pay. Once you're ready, then tap Continue button below. Next, you're going to input the information for whoever you're sending money to. It's super important here that the information is correct, so always double check or triple check to make sure the input is correct account numbers and make sure the spelling of the recipient's name is correct. For cash pickup, it has to be exactly how it appears on their government ID, and for bank deposit, it needs to match how their name appears on their bank. Now you're ready to hit send money, and the money is on the way. You'll get notifications from Remitly telling you the status of your transfer. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.